Governor Soludo shut down new motorcycle spare parts in Nnewi because the traders did not turn out on Monday to open their shops. He shut down the market. You all now can see that Anambra State is under a slavery. A tyrant is ruling the state. Look at the people that came to the market and everywhere was shut down. You can see what Anambra State traders are passing through in Nigeria in this 21st century. Make una just watch the full video.
Is an economic saboteur to the state, deliberately sabotaging the effort of the state. Because being here in the market, you must open Monday through Saturday. That is the executive order given by Mr. Governor. If you don't open it, as long as you are here in the market, and this market is a government-owned market, you must open the market. If you don't open the market, you are sabotaging the effort of the state. For this sabotage that you people have been repeated today, it seems that some of you still don't want the government to move forward. You don't want the state to move forward. This market, we are going to keep this market closed from today till the next week Monday. Then if your people are playing or whatever you want to do, you can continue and go and have that holidays till next week Monday. Next week Monday, I tell you, we are going to shut this market down. That's the order of the governor. We are going to, since you people don't want to comply, then we are going to help you. You can go and do whatever you want to do. By tomorrow, this market will stay closed as it is today until Monday next week. I'm not here to make objection or no objection.